Hi, I'm Jairo for Contabo, and in this video, I'll walk you through how to set up your own Kubernetes cluster step by step. From the control plane to deploying your first containerized app, you'll learn how to get it up and running on your own hardware or on a Contabo VPS. Whether you're building a simple test environment or a full microservices architecture, this guide covers the essentials of Kubernetes deployment. Now, what is Kubernetes? Kubernetes, or Q8, is an open source platform that helps you automate, scale, and manage container orchestration. It acts like a control system that makes sure your containers are running efficiently, reliably, and across any number of machines. What we mean by containerized applications? A containerized application is software that runs inside a portable, lightweight environment, a container. It includes the app, its libraries, and config files, so it works the same anywhere, making it ideal for Kubernetes deployment and scaling. A Kubernetes cluster is made of nodes. One or more act as the control plane, managing decisions, and cluster management. The rest are worker nodes. They run your apps. Here's how to set up your own Kubernetes cluster from scratch. First, provision servers, either physical or VPS. Set Ubuntu or Debian, assign static host names, and ensure network connectivity between the nodes. Then, install container runtime with these commands. After that, install the Kubernetes tools with these commands shown here. Initialize the control plane with this. Configure kubectl with this. And finally, join the worker nodes. Use the kubeadmin join command output by the master. Next, set up networking so your pods can talk to each other. Without a CNI plugin like Flannel containers on different nodes can't communicate, something critical for any microservices architecture to function properly. Let's deploy a simple Apache web server using a pod manifest like this shown on the screen. Want to run Kubernetes on a budget? Contabo VPS is a solid option. You get high-performance servers, private networking, and full root access. Perfect for building multi-node Kubernetes clusters for container orchestration and cluster management. Provision 2 to 3 VPS via the Contabo control panel, assign private IPs, and follow the same setup steps. If you want to go deeper with Kubernetes, check out the Contabo blog. We've got full guides on networking, scaling, storage, and advanced cluster management. And there you have it. Now you know how to set up a Kubernetes cluster, whether on your own hardware or on a Contabo VPS. From Kubernetes deployment to container orchestration, you are ready to run and manage real-world workloads. If you found this helpful, like this video, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop your Kubernetes question in the comments. Thank you for watching, and as always, happy hosting with Contabo.